So when I had started this channel, I had done a series of top 5 Indian authors when it comes to mythology. And I had featured an author named Ashwin Sanghi in that series. And while talking about him, I had said that, he's known as the Dan Brown of India. So आज क्यों ना इन्हीं डैन ब्राउन की किताबों की बात की जाए. हाय हेलो नमस्ते, माय नेम इज़ आरजे मंजुला. वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल, जिस चैनल पर हम बुक्स, पोइट्री, 90s और लाइफ की बातें करते हैं. एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट डैन ब्राउन एंड हिज बुक्स. बट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो अबाउट डैन ब्राउन बुक्स, let me just tell you, if you've not watched my video of top 5 Indian authors in mythology, then please watch it now. The link is there in the description box below and also on the I button above. And also I keep making lots of videos, book related videos on this channel. So if you like those videos, then please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. So Dan Brown is an extraordinary, extremely popular author और American author हैं ये, जिन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी किताबें दी हैं. And all these books are blockbuster hits, like Da Vinci Code, Inferno, Origin, The Lost Symbol, and also many other books that he's written. And the adaptations of these books also, which are made into movies, they are also blockbuster hits. And of course books are full of jaw-dropping moments and twists and turns. I always say this about Dan Brown, that he's mainly known for his mystery thriller novels, and the best part about his books is that it's like going into an unknown journey where you don't know what's going to happen. It's full of twists and turns and full of adventure. By the way, Dan Brown was featured in 2005 in the Times Magazine's top 100 influential people, and also in the same year he was featured by Forbes magazine in their list of celebrity top 100. So I'm going to talk about Dan Brown's books which are my favorite. This is Da Vinci Code and The Lost Symbol. So first I'm going to talk about Da Vinci Code. So Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown. Now this is a New York Times bestseller. So the story revolves around a man who's murdered, high profile man who's murdered. And while investigations are going on, they get to know that he was also president of a secret society that's holding a secret, that's hiding a secret for centuries. And a secret, if that secret is revealed, can change the history of mankind. So it's that important a secret. So when he's murdered, before his death, what he does, he leaves a certain set of symbols and codes for people to decode that, what happened here, and the codes that can lead to the secret, that's they've been hiding, their society has been hiding for so long. Now, there is the main lead character in almost in all Dan Brown books is a man called Robert Langdon, who's a symbologist. Now symbologist वो होते हैं जो पुराने historical symbols के through उनको study करते हैं, उनके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा information इकट्ठा करते हैं. So this man was supposed to meet Mr. President on the day of his death. So when he gets to know that this has happened, and he's really confused, but he is actually the prime suspect of this murder, because they all believe that the investigating officers, they believe that Robert Langdon has a hand to play in this. And then story में entry होती है Mr. President की granddaughter की, who understands all these codes, who starts cracking them one by one because she knows her grandfather really well. And of course there are a lot of stories about how he used to hide all these secrets and codes when she was a kid, and she used to find these codes out, and it was a part of their game, the childhood games that they used to play. So Robert Langdon के साथ मिलके his granddaughter is trying to solve this and trying to get to this secret that this secret society had been holding. But obviously Robert Langdon is also the prime suspect of this murder, and there are a lot of police officers that are behind them. Apart from that, there are other set of dangerous people who are behind them, who will do anything to make sure that this secret is not revealed. So इस पे एक movie भी बनी है, Da Vinci Code, which was a blockbuster hit. If you've not watched that, you can watch it, but I would say read the book first before watching that movie. So the next one is again by Dan Brown. It's called The Lost Symbol. Now again, the hero of this story is Robert Langdon, who's also the hero of Da Vinci Code. Now Robert Langdon gets a call from his mentor Peter Solomon, and he asks him to give a lecture in Washington DC about symbols and their meanings, because as I said, Robert Langdon जो है एक symbologist है. Now, he also asks him, Peter Solomon, his mentor, also asks him to bring a small packet that he had given him years ago to keep it safe with him. So, Robert Langdon exactly does that. He arrives at the location with the packet in his hand and with the invitation that Peter Solomon had given him. But when he reaches there, he realizes that that call wasn't from Peter Solomon, it was actually from his kidnapper, who's really, really dangerous, and he wants that secret, that small packet that Peter had given him. He wants to have that, and he wants Robert Langdon to open an ancient portal which is full of secrets. Now this kidnapper is really dangerous because Robert Langdon understands that, because he's already cut Peter's hand. So he knows that the kidnapper is dangerous and also very, very serious. Now Robert Langdon is the prime suspect of this murder, just like Da Vinci Code. Now he has to save himself also. He has to save Peter's sister also, because she's a scientist who was working with Peter on a certain secret project, and she was quite successful in it. So the kidnapper is also after her life. He has to save Peter before it's too late, and he has to make sure that all the symbols and all the small packet that Peter had given him, through that he has to open that secret chambers one by one, crack all the codes and open that ancient portal. But should he or should he not? That's what the story is all about. And again, this every page is full of twists and turns. You're going to really, really love this book. And about Dan Brown books, let me just tell you, आप में से वो लोग जो डर गए हैं कि ये इतनी मोटी किताब है, let me tell you, Dan Brown books are little thick, but not even at single page you're going to feel, oh, I'm bored. It is that exciting. So वैसे तो आई वुड से कि आपको डैन ब्राउन की सारी किताबें पढ़नी चाहिए, बिकॉज ही राइट्स रियली, रियली वेल. एंड कभी कभी तो आपको ये लगने लगता है कि वॉट एवर द स्टोरीज ही इज टेलिंग, आर दे ट्रू? But I would suggest, if you've not read any of his novels, then maybe you can start with either Da Vinci Code for sure, and The Lost Symbol also is very, very good. So I hope you like this video. जल्दी मिलेंगे नए वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहिए और हंसते रहिए.